If your Chrome browser keeps sending you annoying pop-up notifications, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Chrome notifications in just a few quick steps so you can stop those site alerts once and for all. This is a simple fix, and it works whether you're using Chrome on Windows or Mac. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all the browser settings. From here, click Settings. On the Settings page, look at the left sidebar or scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, then click it. This section controls a lot of Chrome's website permissions, security options, and browsing controls. Next, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome manages things like camera access, microphone permissions, pop-ups, location, and notifications. Now scroll through the list and click Notifications. This is the section that controls whether websites can ask to send you alerts and pop-up messages. To turn them off completely, select Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. Once you choose that option, Chrome will block all notification requests, which means websites will no longer be able to ask permission to send you alerts. You should also see that all notification requests are blocked, confirming that the setting has been applied correctly. And that's it! You've successfully turned off Chrome notifications. No more distracting website alerts popping up while you browse. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.